The difference between pre and post Acumatica is night and day. We have seen enormous growth. We're 400% our gross rev from even 2020. It's all been very manageable because we're always dealing in real data.
When we were using our older system, Great Plains, like a really busy day for shipping as far as packages that we got out, 30 was doing really good. Now we've almost hit 200 in a day. The process of receiving orders from our salesmen, it's less hands-on, it just integrates in. We're able to just print it out and pull it and then ship it out.
We had average lead times in 2022 that were anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks, and we were able to track that number. Now we are able to get lead times on average anywhere from 4 business days to 8.
I would say that our on-time delivery has increased dramatically as a result of Acumatica, and we used to sit at 70% on time, and now we're often 95 to 100% on time every week.
From 2018, when we finished implementation with Acumatica until today, our revenue has gone 3 times thanks to Acumatica. We used to have 2 people working in finances in 2018, and now we have tripled our revenue, and we have 1 finance controller that's able to handle that. That has been great for a business owner and ultimately helps the bottom line.